Hello, it's a parcel day. Today we have a set of speakers, and these are they, the Edifier R980T. I had Amazon deliver them in packaging which didn't reveal the contents because stuff is getting stolen from this building. Right, let's get into them. This is the typical packaging you would expect, with polystyrene spacers to hold the contents steady. The speakers are nicely individually wrapped and taped. And they're actually quite weighty, considering their diminutive size. I'm going to put the box on the floor and bring the speakers out on their own. So here they are, there's one. Yeah, very pretty. And this one has the cabling attached, so let's get that one open too. Now I should say straight away that these are not for me. I already have two sets of very nice speakers. These are for my daughter Kathleen. And even though she doesn't know it yet, she's going to be the recipient of my Retro Life vinyl turntable. And I wanted to have something that she could play her records on. And these get great reviews on Amazon. I think they were about $65 before tax, and looked like a good buy to me. So in the right hand speaker we have the power cord, and on the back controls for volume and bass, connections for turntable or other music device, and also for connecting PC. So you could actually have both connected at the same time. There's an on-off switch there, and the two speakers are connected via speaker wire to these red and black terminals there, cleverly colour-coded with red and black speaker wire, like so. And this model has 2.5 meters of that there, which should be plenty for my daughter. There are also two sets of cabling, one with a 3.5mm jack and then phonos on the other end, and the other with phonos on each end. So that'll be the one that will connect the turntable to. I think this one you would probably connect to the headphone jack of your PC or laptop. Well, I suppose I'd better try them out, see how they sound. So these are the connectors, and we'll press down the black tab, poke in the black wire and release, and the same with the red one. Now we'll attach the left hand speaker, black to black, red to red. Next I'm going to unplug the phono lead that goes to my NAC amplifier and plug in the provided set of phono leads, red to red, white to white, and then connect the other end of the phono leads to the auxiliary input on the right hand speaker, red to red, white to white. Now I know I haven't got the speakers set far enough apart, but this is just so that you can see them against the backdrop of my Roku screensaver. And next we'll put on a little music to test them out. Let's put this old favourite on.